welcome back. So today's install, I wanted to share with you guys an install that will last through sweat. I've been using this for over a month now, and to be honest, I waited to kind of give my thoughts on it. Today's wig that I'm going to be installing, Super V wigs or Superb wigs, however you want to say it. And this, let me zoom in. So as you can see, this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It is a straight texture, and it already has that center parting, but you can part it anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and start because I do have to get out the door today. I have a lot that I have to do this morning before. So I'm just gonna take a wax stick and kind of push the hairline back so that I can install. Now the lace on this wig, as you can see, is a bit lighter than my complexion. I should tint it, but I don't plan on putting any lace tint in it today. I'm just going to focus mostly on the install, and if I need to, I can kind of touch it up, maybe with some makeup or something like that. I have already washed the hair, so this is what it looks like after being washed. I did lightly re-bleach the knots on it. So I'm just taking my hot comb and pressing back that hairline. So, okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. And I will put this hot comb below in the description box for you guys. All right, so now you guys can see exactly what the hairline looks like. All right, so it's not that bad. It's not super pre-plucked. This is just a regular plucked hairline. Okay, so I'm gonna take my scissors, but they have the jagged edge on it. So the reason I like using these sometimes is because they're going to give that zigzag cut so that the hairline won't look straight across. So just gonna use it right now just to cut off the ear tab areas also, even though it really does not matter with the sides. Now it's very important that your ear tabs lay down. This area lays flat, because if it don't, then you will end up with your sides lifting, which can cause early lifting that may not be caused from sweating, you get what I mean? So that's why I always make sure that the ear to ear area lines up. So today I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace before I glue it down. So I'm just gonna take these scissors, put a slit there. And the only reason I'm doing it like this time is so that I don't have to worry about, when I'm using these type of scissors, they're too big to kind of get closer to the lace. They do have smaller ones like these. So I don't have to try to cut it after I have glued it down and then cause lifting. Really, wig application is all about technique more so than anything else, more so than the product, more so than anything. So look how natural that lace is laying, guys, already. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the back strap so that it won't slide around. It already looked like I have glued it down. I have not. That there, make sure it's lined up. I don't have a clip in here. It's weird. Bathroom, I don't have a hair clip. Pull that back. So the way I like to do the spray is over top of the lace. However, you can do it under. It don't really matter. The key is just not to spray too much because you don't want it to turn white. So on the sides, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna spray right there on the edge of that lace. Right there. And kind of rub it in. I kind of want it to be a little bit more. There we go. I don't know if you all ever experienced headaches when you wear anything tight around your head. For me, I have to position my wig a little bit onto my forehead, because if it's too far like back, it's too, not even if it's too tight, but the tension will give me a headache. So I try to line it up the same way every single time. And as you can see, I'm just spraying a little and going around there, making sure not to spread too much into the hair. Now the spray doesn't dry extremely fast, so that's a great thing. I'm gonna take my dryer and dry it for like 10 seconds on cool air. And so this is important. I'm gonna take my sleigh band and I'm gonna put it right here against that hairline and let that press down the lace, melt the lace, and blend it with my skin. It's also going to flatten that hairline down. You can adjust the sleigh band so it can be tight, or it can be loose, or it can be just right, whatever you want. I will link it below in the description box for you guys, or it should pop out right here if you want to purchase one. And I'm going to blow dry it on cool air for a little bit. And then basically you want to let this sit pressed for at least 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes before you take it down. What I like to do while I wait is I'll go ahead usually and style my hair. This hair is super soft. It's still a little damp from me washing it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl the hair. I'm gonna use some of this argan oil as a heat. It is a heat protectant, by the way. About that much. Not too much because it is a bit thick and this is a straight hair wig. So I'm just gonna add some random curls throughout the hair. I plan on restyling it later, so I'm using my T3. And if you want your curls to last long, instead of letting it drop, use some metal clips, little small ones, and pin curl the hair after you take it off of the curling iron. That will help it to last longer. But right now I'm kind of in a rush, so I don't have time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not. And if you have not hit that like button, I don't even understand. If you watch all my videos, you should be hitting that like button, okay? If you are a regular, drop me a comment, tell me what you guys think about this particular spray. Have you tried it out for long periods? You guys never come back and tell me the good. Like, y'all always come and tell me the bad, but y'all never come tell me the good. Like, drop me some comments. Like, if you tried this spray and it's worked out for you, let me know. Because I already know someone's gonna say it didn't work for them. But I wanna hear someone tell me, yes, it works. I'm pretty sure some other people wanna hear that too, especially when it comes to these wig adhesive sprays, because we all be looking for something that's gonna hold, okay? So don't keep the good stuff to yourself. Don't keep it. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the sleigh band so we can see what this hairline looks like. And it may be a little stuck, so just kinda, I need to clean my sleigh band, but there we go. I'm just gonna break up the cast. Okay, so this is the finished result. I probably will change my parting later. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with the middle part, you guys, but this is what everything looks like. And yeah, again, this wig is from Super B Wigs or Superb Wigs, however you want to say it. I will be sure to link it below in the description box. All these sites are having their Black Friday sales right now, so if you want to get in on the savings, this is the time. I will put all those codes below for you guys so that you can have them and be ready to go. So when those savings kick in, you can be the first one to get those discounts, honey, because this wig is amazing. Yeah, so be sure to check below. All right, see you guys in the next one.